Shana. I'm here visiting with my family, my mother-in-law, my mother, my sister, and my brother. I would say that the Eastern Highlands is so stunning. This is a place that I come to quite often when I come home because it's just peaceful, serene, gorgeous, and more importantly, the people are very kind and lovely. This is my first visit to Mountain Lakes Resort. Ngake ngabuya ngahlala somewhere else phezulu ngale eZumbani in Nyanga exactly, and we went to see the Nyanga National Park, waterfalls that are there. It's just a very beautiful place. In terms of like tourism in Zimbabwe, I'd say it's very safe. It's a very good place to visit. And like I said, the people are very friendly, very kind, very helpful. You'll always find somebody who wants to help you. Very generous.